I came out earlier today to start up the time cutter and back it out of the shed because I think winter's over and it wouldn't start. So I'm gonna flip the seat here. It turned over really slow and then just clicked, so I'm guessing the battery is just too low to start. So I brought out something that we got during a Black Friday sale. It's a red fuel Shoemaker portable battery, and it has an attachment to attach to a car battery to start it. I've tried it a couple times on cars and it hasn't seemed to have enough juice, but we're going to try it here and see if it has enough to start the zero turn. Connect the positive, negative clamp. Plug the battery clamp into the jump starter's output. Press and hold this button on the start cable for 1 second. The light should light green. All good. Start your vehicle when finished and clamp the battery. Let's give it a try. Plan B is a Jump-N-Carry 660, which I carry with me in the truck all the time. I'll put a link down below to the Jump-N-Carry 660. I definitely think it's something that, if you don't have one in a vehicle, it's a good addition to have. Let's hook it up, and it should have plenty of power.